Hi, welcome back to my channel. Recently, some of you probably have seen my video about buying a bag from Kipling, and this is the first Kipling bag I got. I got this because in Pennsylvania it really rains a lot, and I do need more than one weatherproof and water resistant bag so that I don't keep using my Longshan bag. And after getting this, I really love the color. I love how vibrant it is and kind of fun, and I really like it. And then afterwards, when I signed up their newsletter, I got the news about the Memorial Weekend sales, and also they were doing their, I think their semi-annual sales they call it. So with that, I got to get more, right? So, and here are the bags, more than one bag. So the price was really good, so might as well get them all and have a full set, right? I know sometimes my reasoning sounds ridiculous. So the first one is they call it their Asseni mini tote, also in the same blue color. Let's remove the strap so that you can see. Similar to my first Kipling tote, it's a kind of in a smaller size. It's great for everyday lunch outing. I love that it has this stripe going across the front. Not just the design and look, it also kind of reinforces the shape, and it strengthens when if you really want to load it with heavy stuff, you will be able to hold it better, and you don't have to worry that it break off or something. Because some of the bag strap, they tend to just sew it, just kind of stop at the top, and those later on, it may not last as long. So, and it does come with this shoulder strap or crossbody strap. I believe once I adjust it, I will be able to use it as a crossbody bag. And with this mini tote, it does have a zipper closure. Let's open it up. It has this striped polyester lining. So with the lining and the outer layer, you definitely don't have to worry about rainy days. Inside of the bag, it does have a zip pocket to put important stuff, and then on the other side, look like it has multiple slip pockets and some pen slot. I'm always curious that do people still use the pen slot inside the bag? I feel like these days, because we use our phone so much, oftentimes we don't carry a pen, right? I can't remember when was the last time I carried a pen with me, to be honest. And of course, with Kipling's bag, you do get this cute monkey key charm. Every time I look at it, it just brightens up my day. And now let's move on to the second one. So does it look familiar? Because the second one is called the Kipling's Asseni tote. This is the small size, and this is the mini, and this is the regular size. I just bought them in different sizes because I like them so much, right? I know. I call myself practical hoarder. Like, I collect stuff, but I need a good reason when I buy new bags. And this one, because it's water resistant, and with Kipling's, I don't have to worry about it get dirty. So I think this would be a great overnight bag. And if I had a road trip, or if I decided to go to New York or in Philadelphia, I could use this as my overnight bag. And similar to the mini, it also has a zip pocket, and then on the other side is the same structure, same design. It has slip pocket and some pen slots. But with this bigger one, it does have this key fob that hook onto your keychain and stuff. I do like this. Recently I have been using this feature a lot because moving to this new place, I have a lot more keys that I need to carry just in case I haven't figured it out. So with this I could hook onto my key, and easier when I need to find my keys, I know where to find it. I don't have to search through my bag. So let's take a look at the smaller size one. Unfortunately, smaller size one, it doesn't come with a key fob. So if you like that feature, you might as well get the bigger one. Their price is very similar. And when you don't fill it up, it doesn't look that big actually. Buying this bag kind of bring me back some memories when I was in college. I feel like this bag really give me some teenager college vibe. Maybe I just watching too many TV shows lately, so just take a break and recommend this heart stopper. So this is today's unboxing. 2 Kipling's Asseni Tote or Asseni. I'm not sure how I pronounce it, so let me know how do you pronounce this name. Thanks for joining me today, and I'll talk to you again soon. Bye.